Good morning, everyone.
I am Alaysa Labarejos and I am one of the reporter from Group 4. So now our topic is all about the professionalization of teachers in the Philippines. So before we continue before we proceed to our discussion, let me present to you our learning objectives. So first is to review the salient provision of Presidential Decree 1006. Identify the qualification for taking the board licensure examination for professional teachers. Enumerate the qualification and function of the board for professional teachers. Analyze amendments to Republic Act 7836 as provided in RA 9293 and synthesize the RA 7836 by creating an infographics. So now let's discuss the Presidential Decree number 1006 or Decree Professionalizing Teaching. So what is Decree 1006? Presidential Decree number 1006, also known as the Decree Professionalizing Teaching, formally recognized teaching as a profession in the Philippines. It emphasizes the importance of teachers' education and declares that the government must give serious attention to the preparation and development for teachers. So, this decree highlights the vital role of teachers in shaping the nation and improving the quality of education. So, ang Presidential Decree 1006 daw, mo ni siya ang nag-recognize nga ang pagtudlo usa na siya ka professional career. It also emphasized that teacher must receive proper education and training before they can teach. So, importante man pud na siya no, kay unsaon na lang if magtudlo ang usa ka maestra nga wala siya kabalo kung unsa ang iyang itudlo or wala siya proper nga training or wala siya proper nga education. So luoy jud kaayo ang Pilipinas kung ingon ana. So dako kayo og tabang ang Presidential Decree 1006 sa kuan pag-shape sa atong mga teachers o labi na sa ato ang mga future educator. So ang gobyerno, so the government also gives importance to the preparation and continuous development of teachers to make sure they are competent and effective in the classroom. So ang kanang atong mga maestra karon, bisan nagatudlo na sila, nagapadayon gihapon na sila o kanang ang ilang learning nagapadayon gihapon na mo bitaw nang ang uban nga naga-apil na sila og seminar, training kay para dugang or dagdag man na sa ilahang mga kaalaman or dagdag sa ilahang kuan sa ilahang pagtudlo, dakog tabang para sa ilahang pagtudlo. So mo to siya nga kani nga decree kanang iyang gina-highlights nga ang pagtudlo or ang teachers play a very important role in shaping the future of the nation and improving the quality of education in the Philippines. So next is state policy on teachers' education. So under PD 1006, the state declares that teachers' education is a primary concern of the government. It ensures that teachers' education program must be of the highest quality and strongly oriented to Philippine conditions, needs, and aspirations. At the same time, the policy allows the adoption of effective ideas and practices from other countries to further enrich teachers' education in the Philippines. So matod pa sa akong ingon kaganina, kani siyang PD 1006 kaning nagaano na siya. This policy ensures that teachers or the teacher education program in college and universities must maintain high standards and quality. So sa ato karon, ang atong gina-maintain nga grado is kanang 85. So kung mag below 85 ka ana, mananakay tulo ka below 85, mataktak ka sa education or sa BEd. Kay lagi, ang education na ay gina-maintain nga grado para quality ang teacher or kita nga mga future educator quality ta pag-abot sa buhon nga magtudlo na ta sa ato ang mga estudyante para quality pod ang produkto or ang mga estudyante nga mo graduate, quality ang pangutok, dili kay kanang putyo-putyo lang ang pagtudlo sa maestra. So ang PD 1006 dako na siya og impact sa atoa kay matud na lagi sa akong giingon kaganina, dili pwede nga ang teacher nga magtudlo sa eskwelahan is dili kalidad or dili quality or walay nahibal-an kanang dili wala siya idea kung lisod man pod kung ang teacher nga magtudlo sa atubangan is kanang igura siya nagbasa basta kay makatudlo lang kanang murag walay hanaw, dili na siya pwede. So mo na ang gina-ensure sa gobyerno or ang ginapangusgan sa PD 1006 nga dapat ang maestra sa umaabot or ang mga maestra karon nga nagatudlo na is kalidad or quality.
So next is the National Board for Teachers or NTB.
Presidential Decree 1006 created the National Board for Teachers to regulate the supervise the teaching profession. So the board is composed of the Secretary of Education, the Chairman of Civil Service Commission, a representative from Professional Regulation Commission, and 2 members from the private sector. So the NTV ensures that professional standards in teaching are properly maintained and implemented nationwide. So, ang main purpose of this board is to regulate and supervise the teaching profession in the Philippines. So, the board is composed of, sa kaganina, nag-compose siya og Secretary of Education, the Chairman of the Civil Service Commission, ug ang representative from the Professional Regulation Commission ug duha pud ka membro sa private sector. So, their role is to make sure that professional standards for teachers are properly followed and implemented across the country. So this helps maintain the quality of professionalism of teachers in the Philippine education system. So next is ang powers and function of the
NBT.
So the National Board of Teachers is responsible for managing teachers' licensure examinations, including appointing examiners and determining examination schedules and venues. It also has the authority to issue suspended, revoke, and reissue professional teaching certificates. Through these powers, the board upholds professional standards, ethics, and discipline within the teaching profession. So the National Board for Teachers is responsible for managing teachers' licensure examinations. They are responsible for organizing and administering the licensure exams for teachers. This involves appointing examiners who evaluate the candidates' qualification and performance during the exam. And also, they are responsible for determining examination schedules and venues. So the board decides when or where the exam will be held, ensuring proper logistic and accessibility for aspiring teachers. And also, they are responsible for issuing and suspending and also revoking or reissuing the certificates. So the NTV has the authority to grant professional teacher certificate to qualified candidates. It can also suspend or revoke or reissue this certificate based on professional conduct or the performance. So, ensuring that only competent and ethical individuals practice teaching. And last is upholding professional standards, ethics, and discipline. So, through its function, the NTB promotes and maintains high professional standards in the teaching profession. It informs ethical practices and disciplinary measures to ensure teachers adhere to the expected code of conduct, contributing to the quality and integrity of education. So in short, the NTB plays a crucial role in issuing or ensuring that teachers are qualified, ethical, and competent. So, last is ang qualification to take the examination. So, PD 1006 sets specification or specific qualification for applicants who wish to take the teacher's licensure examination. So, the applicant must be a Filipino citizen, have a good moral character, and physically and mentally fit to teach. So, in addition, the applicant must meet the required educational qualification depending on the level of teaching, such as degree in education or sufficient unit in professional education, to ensure competence and quality of teaching. So, matud pa diri ang qualification para makatake ka og licensure examination is dapat Filipino citizen ka og physically and mentally fit to teach. And also, dapat naapog kay good moral character. So, dapat importante na siya kay kung wala kay kuan good moral character, dili pug ka nga maayo nga modelo sa mga bata or sa mga future nga bata nga imong tudloan. Ug dapat pod nga physically and mentally fit pug ka kay dili man pod pwede nga magtudlo ka dira nga bedridden na ka. Unsaon pa nimo pag proper og teach imong students. And also, kung tingkiling na kadira nga pagtudlo, di po na siya pwede. Kay matud pa diri dapat mentally health ka, kay kung ang teacher dili siya mentally health, unsaon pa niya pag-focus sa iyang mga bata, unsaon pag niya pag-adjust sa attitude sa mga kabataan. Kung siya mismo sa iyang kaugalingon dili siya mentally and physically okay. So dapat isa gyud na siya nga ginapahugtan sa National Board for Teachers. Kay para ang sa gikaingon na ang nakafocus sa 1006 is ang quality or ang quality sa maestra nga magtudlo. Kay gipahugtan nila ang kuan kay para ang maestra, mga future teachers, kalidad sila. Kay ang kuan sa gikaingon na nila nga ang usa ka maestra isa na siya ka Nobel nga profesyon or walay makalabaw ana nga profesyon. Kay kung paano mahimo og mga doktor, engineer, mga kuan kung wala ang maestra. So mao na ang PD 1006, mao na ang ilahang kuan nga ang mga future teacher or ang mga maestra dapat kalidad. So mao na ang nakafocus sa PD 1006. So kato lang ang akong report. Daghang salamat.